Good morning. My name is Junel Calapis Igay. I apply for the position building electrician. I am a married. I have 3 children. I am a Filipino 38 years of age. I am a Roman Catholic Church resident Santa Maria, Bulacan. My highest educational, I'm a graduate computer technician at Misamis Computer College. I have also TISDA training certificate which are General Electricity. I have also EIM in situ TISDA certification. My work experience, there are 4 companies. First company, I am a lineman maintenance at Electric Cooperative Calamba, Misamis Occidental. Second, I am a factory worker, machine operator at GNET Manufacturing Corporation, Novaliches, Quezon City. Third, I am a building electrician at Voltage Electrical Contractor Corporation, year 2008 to 2014. Here is my project assigned. First, BPO San Lazaro Building. Second, Ayala Mall, Trinoma Mall, Quezon City. Third, St. Luke's Medical Center, Taguig City. Fourth, US Embassy Pasay Building as electrician. Fifth, Drug Residence, Makati City. Sixth, Ayala Mall, Harbor Point, Subic Bay, Zambales. And the last project, Ayala Mall, Fairview Terraces Mall, Quezon City. After that, I decide to apply to another companies as a building maintenance. The name of company, Polystar General Services. In my position, I am a building maintenance. My duties and responsibility is to secure and safety operation all equipment. I have also monitoring genset, chiller, fire pump, EFDAS, elevator, and other that, aircon cleaning, and tiles repair, and also LPG leak test every week. I am excited about this opportunity and eager to learn more about how can I add value to your company. Thank you for considering my application. God bless.